If you wonder if Realme C71 does come with a charger, let me quickly show you. I will put this phone aside and we will focus on the box. And here let's open this one up, and here we can find another box with these accessories. So let's take this one out. Here we can find the place for our phone, but we are not interested in this one. We are interested in this box, so let's open it right here. And all of these things that we can find as we take out all the contents of this box. As you can see, the box is now empty. All you can find is the charging cable, a couple of different papers like the quick guide or stuff, and here is the protective case. So this basically means that this phone doesn't come with a charger. And if you are wondering what charger to use for this phone right here to charge it, let me just quickly show you. At the back of this box right here, you will be able to find, oh no, actually no, my bad. You'll be able to find on this side of this box, on the lid of the box, at the top right here, you can find this icon that there is no charging adapter included, and also it is recommended to use from 5 to 45 watts charging adapter to charge your phone. So yeah, that's basically it. That's the quick answer for you.